attorney Sarah Holmes of Holmes Business Law PC. We are a business and trademark law firm located in Philadelphia and the suburbs. Often clients ask us, how do I do a trademark search? Maybe they are going to form an LLC, maybe they've been in business for a while, and they want to know, how do I make sure that my name isn't already trademarked by somebody? The answer to that is you can do a search yourself. Is it as good as a search that a lawyer might do? I would tell you quite honestly, no. And here's why. So the search you can do yourself, you can go to the USPTO website, which is uspto.gov, and you can type in the exact name of the business that you want to use. You could search for elements of a logo. You can do all that on your own. The real reason, though, that you might want to have an attorney do the search is, number one, we don't just use uspto.gov to do a search. We, in fact, use special software that uses an algorithm. It will not only search USPTO for us, but it'll search Google and state filings and spit back out at us anyone else using that name. And not only the exact name, but really when you apply for a trademark, the government is not looking at only whether there's an exact name match to what you want to use. They're looking at whether there's anything else that looks similar, sounds similar, could have a word in the name that means the opposite of it, rhymes with it, all kinds of crazy things. USPTO will come back and tell you it's a conflict, even though it's not a direct name match. The other thing, and the other reason why you'd pay an attorney, is because if you have enough experience doing this, you're not only looking for the exact goods or services matches either. You're looking for anything that USPTO might consider to travel in the same streams of commerce that could be confusing to a consumer. So again, it's not just exact matches. Let's say that your business is going to sell tea towels, right? You're just going to sell tea towels and you want to trademark the name Blue Banana Tea Towels, right? Now you go and you do your trademark search, you're like, there's nothing else that's Blue Banana for tea towels, that's great, I'm ready to go, okay? Maybe, maybe not. Now let's say an attorney does the search and they find red apple dish rags or something like that, right? You might say, hey, red apple dish rags is not Blue Banana tea towels, why is there an issue? Well, it could be an issue because number one, it's using a color. Number two, it's using a fruit in the name. And number three, it's using not the exact same product, but using one that's similar enough to yours that maybe a consumer could be confused that those types of products would typically emanate from the same source. Now, that sounds very bizarre. You're like, why would they do that? Well, that really is how it works. And that is the difference between the search that you might do on your own versus a search that you might hire an attorney to do. So if you have questions, if you want a trademark search done, we can certainly help you with that. If you need an application processed, we can handle that as well. Feel free to reach out to our office. It's 215-482-0285. Thanks.